GYA has provided the most professional copper solutions and one-stop raw materials for customers. With the vision of becoming a global pioneer and innovator, we provide different solutions to customers. As a professional OEM and ODM factory, GYA has accumulated rich experience in product manufacturing and established its own core competitiveness. With a dedicated QC team and independent testing laboratory, we repeatedly test to ensure quality. We have a professional sales team and have established close relationships with many well-known enterprises and brands. Welcome to visit us and look forward to cooperating with you.